Presenting AI Interactive Book Creator, software that will create lifelike interactive books in any niche and any language using AI. Enter a keyword and AI Interactive Book Creator will customize design, style, tone, language and create interactive books on any topic in any niche. You must know books have long been the easiest and most trusted way to build fame and credibility. We all know some iconic authors whose books didn't just share knowledge but built legacies, creating wealth, fame, and a lasting brand. And you must have deep desire to write a book you have planned but never wrote. But you should do it now. It's time to write that book you planned but never wrote. That book will be your legacy. Writers are seen as elite, cool, authoritative, and classy people. Become authority in your niche. Authority brings trust among your audience. Books are best brand building strategy. Share your interesting story with the world, build a fan base. Get rights to brag in your friend circle. Feel sense of achievement. Being a book author is an achievement. Enjoy fame, get popularity, become famous. Books are the biggest passive income source, get it? Now I know what you're thinking. If using books is so effective, why isn't everyone tapping into it? Because hiring ghostwriters or designers can drain your budget fast. Creating and formatting books manually takes hours of effort. Most popular book creation tools are expensive and complicated. Basic PDF books lead to low engagement and minimal reader retention. But not anymore. Proudly presenting AI Interactive Book Creator. Enter a keyword and AI will customize design, style, tone, language, and create interactive books on any topic in any niche. Your search for the ultimate book creator ends here. Create jaw-dropping books that get results. It works in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Enter keyword, let AI generate the book in seconds. Step 2. Customize it by adding YouTube videos, GIFs, images, CTA, icons, and logo. Step 3. Publish, sell to clients, print physically, earn big, build authority, and grow your brand, make your legacy. Books created by AI Interactive Book Creator are so good that few of our beta users are celebrity writers now in their circle. Few of them have Kindle bestsellers in different categories. And not just that. Do you know freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork charge upwards of $500 to $1,000 or more for book creation services, which you can do in seconds now? Imagine, if you ever put a gig there on Fiverr or Upwork, you will beat all competitions in no time with an AI Interactive Book Creator commercial license. Let me show you the power-packed features of AI Interactive Book Creator. Create books from keyword using our inbuilt AI Book Creator. Add CTA buttons, lead forms on your books. Add videos, GIF, graphics on your books. Embed interactive books on any website or landing page. Make your books public or password protected. Get QR code ready to share books. Convert any PDF into flipbooks. Create book albums from images. Drag and drop books editor. Stunning inbuilt book cover designer. Stunning inbuilt book pages templates. Move books from one workspace to another. Create social media images, e-covers, mock-ups. Download, share and publish books. 15 million plus searchable stock images, videos and vectors library. Commercial license included. Create books for clients, charge them and earn good profits. There are strong business and personal benefits of having a book on your name. It's time to write that book you planned but never wrote. Build your legacy, become the center of attraction in your friends' circle, become authority in your niche, build trust in your audience, and build a fan base because writers are seen as elite, cool, authoritative, and classy people. Enjoy sense of achievement. Being a book author is achievement. Enjoy fame, get popularity, become famous. And set your biggest passive income source with books. But beware, AI Interactive Book Creator will turn into $197 per month immediately after this introductory launch period. Thus, it makes sense to take your AI Interactive Book Creator account now before it's too late. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. If you're not thrilled with the outcomes, simply contact our support team for a hassle-free refund. No fuss, no hassle, just a straightforward money-back guarantee. Click on the button below and get AI Interactive Book Creator for the lowest price ever. Good luck, and we'll see you inside. It's time to write that book you planned but never wrote.